Auzu billahi mineşşeytanirracim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Gobru assalamu alaikum. Öş paran 6th chapter Rural Administration. Yit port ki at maz spor yo law and order kit port maintain karan tam pura police rule ta pura maintenance of land records. To at maz pura patwar karan ye kaam to at supervise karan pat bad officers like tehsildar वगैरह वगैरह तो ये प्रॉपर्टी आसान ये कोर दिवान कहीं तन ये दिवान लड़कस योचा अम खुद बनो नो कानून न्यू लॉ बनो हिंदू सक्सेशन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट अत वन 2005 often when we think of farmers who own land we think of men. Women are seen as people who work on the fields, but not as people who own agricultural land. दपान गोबरो यम विज सोचान जमींदारन मुतलक कि यमन पन जमीन सोचान क्या सिर्फ मैन यानी मर्द योत विमेन यम आसान तिमन सिर्फ दपान तुम करो जमीनस मज कम वर्क ऑन फील्ड्स तमन समझान कह कि तम जन यमन पन जमीन Till recently in some states, Hindu women did not get a share in the family's agricultural land. Daba yus keh riyast ch tim yaman mazhab Hindu mazhab ch ladies as women azain aman os nema family man share din yani his is aman devan zamin maz kehin tane. After the death of the father, his property was divided equally only among his sons. Zeliman molos mara patas aman sirif nijwen years property ama din koran ki magar gobro is son mazhab islam tat man che ladkiyan te his ama din. Recently the law was changed. Daba tazai go ye kanun change badlya. In the new law is no kanun banav sons and daughters and their mothers can get an equal share in the land. Yum nichi cho koir cho be anzmaj aman cho barabar his mela zamin maz. The same law will apply to all states and union territories of the country. Yo kanun is cho isho tamaman khotr lagu karun tamam riyast be union territories. But as son yos Jammu Kashmir yos got state banya ye union territory yani yugo yet lagu. This law will benefit a large number of women. Emsait mil variya zananan madat hoida. For example, Sudha is the eldest daughter of an agricultural family. You Sudha cho yich a bird kur zustish kur akis family maz yaman agricultural land cho. Yani su zamin yat fasal ch nera. She is married and lives in a neighboring village. So emish kormu khandar Hamsay gamas man basa. After her father's death, Miss Mole Moto Sudha often comes to help her mother with the farming work. Ishima Pani Maj Kara Zimindari Maz Madat. Her mother has asked the Patwari to transfer the land and enter her name along with the names of all children is in his record. Mrs. Maj Patwaris transfer your Zamin. बेकार इमसो नाव ते इमस सुदा नाव ते अतमज ऐड एंटर तो दाखिल कर अतमज बे बाकिन अमन बचन हुन नाव ते अत रिकॉर्डस मंज. Sudha's mother confidently organizes the farming with the help of the younger brother and sister. You Sudha emerge ishu asal pot chalawan ye zaminus maz wabdawan fasal atmaz kohon madad chemis ak lakut boy to be beni Sudha emerge chalawan emis lakut boy Sudha on to be biak emis Sudha sister kara atman mother. Similarly Sudha also lives with the assurance. You Sudha cho emis ishu wo zindagi guzara emis pani jaye surety yani ishu pani jaye sure emis pani jaye ak umeed ak ke bharos ak that if she ever has a problem agar emis kunti saat ka problem gas zindagi maz kya zindagi maz cho problem heka kunti saat it ijen insan asan pai paga kya gas she can always depend upon her share of the land. ताकि अगर अमिस खुदा न खासा कुछ सात कह प्रॉब्लम गसे अमिस जमीनुक हिस्स ऑलरेडी माज दितमुत मतलब मल सिंद हिस्स मज तो अमिस यह हेक अत पे पन जिंदगी गुजारित यह हेक पन अखराजात अम पे पूर कर गोबरो तो तवे यह लॉ आमुत चेंज करने यह लॉ वारिया जरूरी तो सुबह परो गोबरो अम ब्रोह कुन।